have a problem about the compressor. First click on new case and component list. Okay, all the given components we have here on the top, so we don't need to search for it. Click on methane, ethane, propane, isobutane, n-butane, pentane, and n-hexane. And the last component we have is C7+, which is not available in the HYSYS library, so we select it as a hypothetical, and method is create and edit hypos. Click on new hypo and give the name as C7. The static is automatically added, which means that it is a hypothetical component. So the minimum information we need to required to define this component is the normal boiling point, and which is 110. This is not shown in this question, but from where I copied the question, there it was mentioned as 110. So the molecular weight and the liquid density is still unknown, so what we'll do is double click and click on the estimate unknown properties. As you can see, the remaining properties is determined. So now click on add. Now choose the fluid package, and generally Pang Robinson is suitable for gas and refinery. So click on Pang Robinson. Okay, we have a simulation tab here. Click on simulation, and then so if the palette is closed by mistake, what you need to do is just click on F4. It will bring it back, and you can press F12, which I prefer, to find the equipments I needed. So here we have a compressor. Add the compressor and give name to the feed inlet as feed. You can write whatever you want. Okay, we have a compressor here. So okay, these are the composition of the feed inlet. Click on worksheet and then composition, and you can write the mole fraction here. Okay, as you can see, the total composition become 1. It means that you have mentioned all the corresponding values right. Now come to the conditions tab and only fill the corresponding value which is given in the question. We have 100 degrees centigrade and the pressure is 1 bar. You can click directly on it, or you can press space bar to change the unit. Okay, so the stream is fully defined, so it appears as okay. So now as you can see, the inlet stream is turned into blue, dark blue, and the outlet is as light blue. it means that it isn't defined yet. So we have an outlet pressure given as 5 bar. So what we're gonna do is to write the pressure as 5 bar. As you can see, the temperature here we have 173.5 degrees centigrade for 75% efficiency, but in question we have given the 30% efficiency. So what we'll do is double click on compressor. Now come to the design tab and the parameter. As you can see, the adiabatic efficiency is here 75%, which is the standard, but we have here 30%, so change it as 30. So the temperature which we need to determine in our question is found to be 265.8 degrees centigrade.